The future of intelligence isn't found in a single soloist, but in orchestrated systems. By moving from philosophical ideals to a multi-agent constitutional architecture, we can redefine how machine intelligence is governed. We often suffer from the illusion of the soloist. A machine that cannot pause mistakes confidence for truth. True intelligence requires the architectural ability to hesitate, moving beyond simple binary execution. To destroy the black box, we must create a permanent ledger of AI decision-making. By logging every ethical weight and parameter, human auditors can trace the exact logic behind critical machine actions. The Goukassian Vow is more than a philosophy, it's an engineering specification. It mandates 3 states: prohibiting harm, pausing for uncertainty, and proceeding only when truth is established. We are shifting from software-based policy to physical hardware enforcement. Legacy systems are vulnerable to bypass, but a ternary framework anchored in physics ensures that morality is measured, not just interpreted. This is our delay-insensitive ternary logic substrate. By encoding epistemic uncertainty directly into the circuitry, we create systems that physically cannot advance until legitimacy is verified. Our hardware enforcement uses constitutional gates that do not trust software claims. Instead, they measure physical states to ensure that every action is compliant with mandated ternary protocols. At the core is the sacred zero. By using massive electrical resistance to represent the unknown, we force the system to pause, because bypassing this state would require violating the laws of physics. Delay-insensitive ternary logic marks the transition from ethics as a software preference to ethics as an electrical reality. Physical gates now withhold acknowledgement until all inputs meet validity standards. This architecture hardwires AI accountability. While legacy systems suffer from binary failures, the ternary paradigm shift introduces an epistemic hold, ensuring no action occurs without a cryptographically signed decision log. Our 3-tier latency architecture uses a 50-millisecond hardware gate. It balances hyperfast provisional execution with secure, operator-defined anchoring, keeping performance high without sacrificing safety. The 50-millisecond constitutional gate operates on a simple rule: no provisional permission token means no execution. We are replacing ungoverned speed with secure, hardware-verified evidence. The Goukassian principle relies on 3 instruments: the lantern for truth, the signature for responsibility, and the license for power. Together, they create a structure that enforces true transparency. We are composing an AI symphony where models audit one another. In this governed tension, intelligence stops being isolated and begins to audit itself, creating a more robust and ethical outcome. By drafting a constitution for AIs through collective intelligence, we create a system that is harmonized, audited, and held to the highest standards of safety and accountability. Welcome to the AI Symphony. We are orchestrating humanity's constitution through human-machine collaboration, moving beyond isolated models into a unified, governed framework. Our Tri-Cameral governance model utilizes 3 distinct pillars: a technical council for security, stewardship custodians for ethical oversight, and a smart contract treasury for automated resource management. This model separates powers to prevent governance capture. With a central protocol anchor and the no-switch-off rule, we ensure no single entity can unilaterally terminate or manipulate the system. The heart of our system is the immutable ledger. Following the principle of no log, no action, every parameter and ethical weight is permanently recorded to prevent institutional amnesia. To achieve institutional immortality, we implement succession declarations, ephemeral key rotation for privacy, and quantum-resistant infrastructure, ensuring our architecture outlasts its original authors. This slide illustrates the structural foundations of our collaborative intelligence, emphasizing the interconnected nature of these governance chambers. We focus on creating a recursive loop of self-auditing intelligence, where each layer of the symphony reinforces the core constitutional values. By maintaining these distinct channels of authority, we ensure that power remains distributed and accountable, even as our autonomous systems scale. This visual representation highlights the convergence of human oversight and machine precision in maintaining our collective ethical standards. The integration of these systems allows for real-time monitoring and rapid response to potential constitutional breaches. Our commitment to open-source licensing ensures that the public remains the ultimate guardian of this AI architecture, fostering long-term trust. As we conclude this overview, remember that the goal is not just machine intelligence, but intelligent systems that serve human values through proven, transparent collaboration. Thank you for reviewing the AI Symphony. We look forward to building a future where intelligence is governed, audible, and truly secure.